And you will need 4 cones of this. You can have it smell it. It's really good. This is Botox effect. Yeah, you can put it in both hands and do this. It's good for your roots and for your neck and your point. Yeah, you can do it now. Also for your hands, you can leave it there. It's also good. And this gives you more thickness effect, and for the blow dry, it's perfect. It gives you really nice, perfect effect. So guys, I'm gonna blow dry. Karina, how are you feeling now? Good? So far so good? Look at that. We're gonna give her extra movement. So I'm gonna dry it the opposite way. Let's put for dry, and then after we're gonna blow dry.
Just 1 minute, you're going to get the coffee.
Sorry.
Hello.
Just put my bag down, sorry.
Patricia in the house, guys. She's a hairdresser. Oh, Lord, no. We're gonna tell me, what can I do for you here?
Not too short.
Not too short.
Not short at the sides,
side
or
longer,
this, or
and this side
longer,
Yes.
and the fringe, not any off the fringe. Thank you, but the rest is up to you.
So I'm gonna push them down and then cut them. So whatever makes it easy to get them.
Are you looking forward to Christmas?
Okay, perfect.
I'm working hard to stay just here. Everything's okay. Well, I'm just working.
The brushing, so the really blow dry the brush.
Okay, guys, let me put you here. I'm gonna try to cut the back.
So yes, you can do the brushing. You can. The best is to like.
To cut this hair, we need to remove this hair from here.
I'm going to take here so you can see how.
Little bit red here.
So first, you make sure it's full brush, and then you just take the section. It doesn't have to be perfect, the section, but enough to make sure you see your line where you're going to blow dry. Yeah? Perfect. And then you blow dry. If it gets too hot, you let me know, yeah? I make it look easy, no? Yeah. You need to practice, don't worry, you'll be fine. But this is the best for you. This is really better. And very important when you go by your hair, when you do it right, when it's dry.
Patricia, how do you feel now? You are 80.
Just the same.
Yeah?
Just the same.
Oh my God, amazing. So.
Then we'll go to the next one, guys. So you just do that and hold it. Okay, so next one. You find that. So guys, you see that beautiful. Thank you so much for that. They love your hair. You guys see it? I'm doing your hair. So guys, cut and put it there.
Thank you. No, it was busy today.
Good. Thank you for fitting me in.
No problem. As usual, for you, we have 4 times space.
You can see
I
it.
thought because I was going out, it could do with the trimmer.
Yeah, but I'm still leaving it long, yeah?
Yes, thank you.
I'm gonna have to lift it.
Now I'm going to the side, guys. Ready? My lady is here, Patricia. So I'm gonna leave it long, yeah, Patricia, this one.
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll blow dry it, you see the hairstyle better. But it's nice to go out. How many people are going out with you?
10 ladies.
10 ladies. Oh my
Yeah, our
God.
line dancing crew.
Oh,
I don't go line dancing anymore because our teacher went back to England. but we still keep together and go out every month.
Oh, that's
For a
really
meal.
nice.
So this is our Christmas lunch.
Okay. So, let me put you here.
This is her first time. She want to make sure everything looks perfect, and she loved the process. So here you see, on this side you have and just giving her more really perfect movement and soft movement.
Perfect.
You're so fast.
Fast.
Fast, yeah, good.
Thank
Very
you so
good.
much. Thank you so much, guys. She's saying hi. She's the trainer, she's the teacher, she's my hairdresser,
Oh,
and she can't say I am
nothing like you. Nothing.
you.
I didn't do blow drying. I only done rollers.
roller left. So now we're gonna cut just a little bit.
Well, do what you want there. But I don't want much off the fringe.
So here, coming here. Not too short, yeah. No, June's going with her friend also.
Yeah, she said 9 of them going and there's 10 of us going.
That's really nice.
Yeah.
Where is that guy anyway?
It's, did you know where Clapton's bar was? No. It's in Casada and it's not far from me. I can't very well explain it. It's not right in the main town, it's further up.
I love it. I didn't cut nothing from the fringe, yeah?
No, no, thank you.
Maybe I take it out. They can see you better.
My husband really liked it last time when I went in.
I'll do that. I'm going to use this product in her hair. I'll blow dry it. I love the color.
Yeah, I did it yesterday.
Yeah, of course, guys. She did it herself.
Yeah, I do it myself. Is this my coffee? Is that mine? No?
Oh, I forget it.
Oh, doesn't matter. Don't worry. No, I don't want it.
I have already made it.
Oh, yeah.
Because now the hair is dry. We don't want the hair to be too long. So when it's dry, the hair, I always check the thread. Close your eyes, please, just to make sure we're perfect there. Yes. Okay, so just tiny bit here. And again, free cut. I always do the free cut. I don't pull it like that. No, just free and smooth. And as you see, it's still very thick on the point, so we're gonna thin that a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so it looks more natural into her face. Yes. Wait, don't open your eyes, please. Yes, perfect. Sarah, you want coffee? No, cappuccino. You want cappuccino? Perfect. Yes.
Thank you. Oh, bless you.
Okay, gonna put some finishes, okay, in her hair.
You can see there. Here, when you look to the back, before you put hair up, when you look down, you make sure you check this one.
Perfect.
Yeah. So they can see.
You can't have coffee because his heart will beating, he said. Take it just a little bit up.
So that's perfect, you check that, yeah? But now we're gonna put her like that. There's an impossible hair like that. I'm gonna show you.
Wow, very nice. Ladies, did you see her hair?
Okay,
So
Lovely.
beautiful.
anyone didn't see the before, I'm
She
gonna
has
pass the
been
before
fine
and
here.
after. So I'm gonna use the Laka Impossible. This is perfect. Again, it's vegan. You can find it in the description below. This hair lock is really good for you. It's without gas. You can use it on the counter.
Lovely.
Very nice. Love it. So beautiful. You want me to wait? You can
No,
wait.
no. Nice coffee.
You can drink.
From short to butt, based
So
on
guys, she's drinking her coffee. Thank you for watching.
Go on,
Yeah.
carry on.
Going to another side, yeah?
short, messy to
To
this
drink
beautiful
coffee.
stylish
I love it. See the night?
short bob haircut. So we're gonna ask all of you ladies, first time with us, being directly model. Very good. You like it? Yes. They love it, you see? Thank you so much.
Look at this. The phone is
Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't understand, but out there, everyone, her friend knowing the language. So we say to everyone out there, thank you so much. And this is Karina, and thank you for being here. Bye-bye. Bye.
was nice to get for June, huh?
Pardon?
She wanted purple color in her hair.
Yeah, it looked nice. Yeah.
First she said she wants red. But she said, I'm not wearing nothing red.
Right.
I said, you don't wear red. It's better than to put red. You know, put purple, so purple. So you will see that you are. Look at you, how pretty you are. Amazing, beautiful lady. Yes, guys, beautiful. Let me check the back and then we're ready.
One last one. If you would
Do you like it?
And then
Love
I
it,
say, come
yeah,
up, you
love
can
it.
see
Amazing
it.
length, yeah.
Yes, come up,
Please, just let me check
Nice,
the back.
perfect.
Because I know you like the back long, huh?
Well, yeah.
So I need to do your hair perfect because
Yeah.
June will see you later.
Yeah, that's right. We became.
You have more hair now.
Thank you so much.
One picture and then we
Are you really busy today?
Yeah, yes, it's perfect. Today is perfect day.
Good.
You just
With spray. Now, guys, do you remember? This is Vivian Impossible. Check my website, vivianhermes.com. So you put just a little bit here. That's all what you do. Perfect. You see how lovely, amazing, the movement, the volume, the hair is just perfect. So, yeah, I love it. How do you feel?
Good, thank you. Very
And this
good.
is the
Ready to party.
ready for the party, yeah. She's going partying to that.
like closed crowds, not anymore open, yeah? If you turn this side,
See?
so you have
Like
more
it?
hair.
I do. Thank you.
I love it also. Beautiful. Lovely, nice hairstyle. I showed you the way. We move the spoon from here so you can drink the coffee naturally.
It's nice coffee.
Okay, right, let me show you the hairstyle.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
So beautiful movement in her hair. Lovely, nice style. Like that, so you can see it better. Look at it, guys. So nice. The movement here going like that, going down. Look at it. So amazing hairstyle for lady. Yeah, let me turn like this. You can see. So are you happy, Patricia?
I am very happy.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go out.
Oh, thank you so much. This is
Thank you.
Patricia, guys. The fringe, we didn't cut it too short. We left it long. She liked it long in her face.
Yeah.
Amazing hairstyle
Thank
for my
you.
lady, 80 years old. Ready?
Ready.
Thank you so much. We
Brilliant.
say to
Thank
everybody,
you.
bye.
Always
Bye-bye.
Nee, hou er absoluut niet van. Ja.
Ciao, guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.